Coach, huge margin of defeat this evening. Can you tell us what went wrong in this game for you today?
First and foremost, I don't think the margin told the whole story. I think the performance wasn't that bad, but we just conceded at the wrong times of the game.
As I said, the wrong time. As I said, the wrong time, but the defense. What do you think went wrong with the defense is concerned?
We just made some errors that honestly I don't know what happened. We just have to look on the video and see how we can fix going forward.
But still managed to score 2 goals this evening. Fabian Reid, my apologies. Reid is also still in good form. Still, Trevon Reid is still in good form, playing well. How important will he be for the Harbour team this season?
Well, he's a skipper, he's a leader. I think he'll play an important role in where we end up this season.
Yes, coach. I think it was 1 point from the 3 games. How concerning is that for you and the guys as they try to move forward?
As I said, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It's not good to start the season that way, but I have no doubt that we will fix things.
Is the motivation in the team good at this point? Is that a concern to the players?
After a loss, there's no way the players are going to be motivated. We have to work with that in the coming week and see how we fix things going forward.
See a lot of young players in the attack, coach. Think that is an issue because it looks like most of the responsibility fall on Trevor to create goals for the team. I think the youthfulness of the team is an issue.
No, I don't think it's an issue. It's a youthful team, but if you're following the league, a lot of them would have played the league before, even though they're young. I think we just need to get it together. As I said, they're young, they're just coming together. I started late in the pre-season, but I have no doubt that we'll put it all together.
So from here on to the end of this round, what's basically the objective for you and the team?
Just to get it right, better performances and get some points on the board.
Is there any pressure from the hierarchy to pick up immediate results, coach?
No, not that I know of. Before the season started, we know that we were going to start with a young team, and we knew that it was going to take time.
All right, Coach.
Coach, we said that it was a game of 2 halves, Coach. We said that you were in the thick of everything in the first half, and then second half got away from you. Where do you think you went wrong compared to the first half to the second half?
As I said, we started the second half strong, and we conceded a very soft goal, and I think after that the lads dropped their heads. I think that is where we went wrong.
Are you disappointed with their mentality, as you stated that they dropped their heads? What do you think you could instill in them to continue fighting for this team right now?
I'm the head of the ship. I just have to look on methods to get it right.
All right, thank you, Coach. Best of wishes for the rest of the season.
All right, thank you.